Hey guys, good to see you. My being in video mode means that, well, I'm obviously not in again. It looks like Cannibal Baby has the flu, which stinks because babies aren't good at many things, and they're especially not good at getting the flu. So, not that fun, but I just want to kind of relay and make sure everything's good to go on your end in school. Nothing's changed. We're just trying to get as much information as we can for this essay. So here behind me, you can see yesterday's plan. I just want to make sure we're good on this. We want to make sure we have paper 36, that table 2 that we've been looking at for a while. We want that done. Um, so that's there. And then for paper 38, the back of it with that table, we're using the Padlet that's on Google Classroom. You need to read through that. Remember, you can only use 2 sources from videos, so you do actually need to do some work here. It is an essay. You need to read through and come up with some information. The main goal was to finish paper 38, or just get as much as you could, and then today, which is now Thursday, we want to finish that up. So before we move on, just want to point out, when you're done with all this stuff, if you have any academic work for other classes, or you want to get into the independent time board, we can look up some Frederick Douglass stuff or some reading. That's cool. So here's today. Thursday, plan of attack, Brazilian colors. First thing that we should be getting to is finishing the back of paper 38, just like we said before, Padlet and Google Classroom. And then the next piece, which is really the last piece for us. Whoever's in for me today, I'm not sure who it is, they should give you a debate forum. There's going to be 2 sides to it. We're only doing the front. 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 So on that debate forum, you'll see it, and I'll show you in a moment. We're just going to do the front, so don't worry about the back. By the end of the class, this is our goal. We want to take paper 36, right? Paper 38, and then this debate forum, and staple them all together. This is going to turn into pretty much like our evidence packet. So paper 36, all the tasks together and the quotes and all that stuff. Paper 38 with the front and the back, even if you didn't finish the front. And then a debate form, even if you didn't finish it. Let's staple it together, put it in the mail slot. Tomorrow I'm going to be back in, and I'll look through this and just kind of see where everybody is. Because the goal is to have this, evidence packet totally done, so when we return after vacation, we're all set. So here are the plans that'll be up for today. Let's look at this debate forum quick, and then you'll be on your way. So where is it? There it is. All right, so here it is. Front looks like this. Argument: Columbus should not be celebrated. 3 boxes for your reasons, and then evidence on the other side. Notice again, there is a back. We don't care about the back. We're just doing the front. So at this point, you should have 1, 2, 3 reasons. Those could come either from the argument tree you made on the front of paper 38. It might come from the back of paper 38 where you're putting reasons for your evidence. But at this point, you should have in your mind, pretty much the idea of, here's my argument, either yes or no, we should or should not celebrate. And then here are the reasons why I feel the way I do. And each of your reasons should be supported by evidence that you can put over here. If you want to be, create your own shortcuts so that, it says evidence piece 1 on paper 36, whatever, I don't care. Right? But you just want to make sure that you have your plan really, really all set here. And that's what this page is all about. Again, when you're done with this, just the front, you'll staple all this together, this paper, 38 and 36, all together, and put them in the mail slot. Those of you who decide to be clever, and you might have like a Columbus should and should not be celebrated, or you have something else that's a little bit more complex, it's the same story. You're still going to have your reasons and evidence to support them. And remember, some of you may decide to do just 2 reasons and have more evidence based on that 3 times 2 equals 6 at the top of the board. So be creative with this. It is for you to be as prepared as possible when we get back. If you have any questions, you can shoot them at me on Friday. But other than that, good luck and keep doing a good job with this. Right? See you guys soon. Bye.